for tuning in with Chlorine King. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss anything. If you need any help with your business, then join my Patreon, links below, where you will improve your business and get exclusive discounts with my partners in the industry. Check out the sponsors for this video. Skimmer will revolutionize the efficiency of your business and communication for your clients all in one modern and easy to use app. With everything you need to run your pool business with software that rocks, click the link below to learn more. Riptide Pool Vacuum Systems will allow you to service more pools per day and feel more refreshed at the end of it. With the blow-off proof bags, the most powerful vac head, awesome transport rack, and so much more, check out the link below. Now, let's get to the video. Hey, do you guys hear that? Yeah, that's your bank account draining because all the costs are going up. So let's stop that and talk about how we can make it better. What's up, everybody? Chlorine King here. Thanks for tuning in for another video. Today, it's time to share another golden nugget with you guys on how to raise rates, maintain your clients as much as possible, and why we need to do this. So stay tuned. Check out that view behind me. It's just so awesome. I love it. It's course maintenance today, being Monday, so I figured I'd go ahead and just walk around and check it out, and it inspired me to do a video for you guys. So, you guys hear that? Yeah, that's the cost of everything going up. The main point in this video is I've been asked this a million times via DMs. I've seen it in Facebook groups. The big thing going around today is I need to raise my rates, but I don't want to do it because I don't want to lose my accounts. Well, here's the thing, guys. If you guys do not raise your rates, you continue to just eat the costs that are increasing everywhere, you're not going to be in business much longer because it's not sustainable if you're just eating costs and not raising rates. Guys, Netflix is even raising their rates. So you guys got to do it too. Well, Eric, how do I do that? I don't want to lose accounts I've had forever by raising their rates. Well, here's the thing, guys. If you raise everybody by $10, right? Say you have 100 pools. There's an extra $1,000 a month to help absorb for all the chemical costs. And this isn't something that you guys are trying to raise to make more profits. It's to keep your margin the same. And that's the most important thing, guys. Well, what happens if I lose some accounts? Well, the accounts you do lose, which is going to be minimal based on this method I'm going to show you or tell you, the accounts you do lose are going to be well more than covered by everyone else with the increase. And quite honestly, if you lose someone over $10, you're on thin ice with them anyways. So it's only a matter of time before they find someone else cheaper anyways. So Eric, what's that method you're talking about to increase rates? Well, it's actually quite simple, but it's proven to be effective, at least through my business. And I've heard several others doing the same thing through my Patreon program that they've had a lot of success with too. And here it is. Raise the lowest 25% of your clientele instead of raising everybody. Well, why do you want to do that? Well, who wants to see a price increase every year? I certainly don't as a customer, even though that's exactly what happens through distribution and equipment manufacturers and all that stuff. But as a paying customer, as far as on the pool service side, that alone will help you minimize account loss because you're only increasing them once every 4 years. So what you do is you raise the lowest 25% every year. So that way you're constantly increasing clients. It's just a certain portion of your clients, but the actual clients are only seeing an increase once every 4 years. So that way you keep your profit margin the same throughout the years. And eventually you'll bring all your lower accounts up to what you're charging today. And then even more as you continue to increase your rates. So that's the formula I use. It's been successful. So I hope you guys adopt that too. So at the end of the day, why do we want to do this? Well, we want to keep our margins up. We want to stay in business. But from a standpoint as an industry as a whole, we can help elevate the industry for all raising our rates and help us all just be more profitable and make a better living. I mean, because I know some of you guys are really struggling. You guys just are charging such cheap rates and you guys are getting killed with this price increase. I mean, heck, even some of my pools are nowhere near the same margin as others because it's older pricing versus new pricing. When you factor in all the new costs, I mean, hell, some of the chemicals have gone over 100% increase. That's not something we need to absorb. You got to remember, at the end of the day, if an account's not profitable, what's the point of being out there? We're not providing a public service to all these clients. We're out there to make money. And I'm not saying take advantage or anything like that. Don't get me wrong, but we shouldn't just eat costs that come our way to then go out and provide a service to somebody, they need to eat that cost. So again, actually do the math, figure out a new per pool cost, and make sure you break that up over your 4 or 5 week month and add that directly onto their bill. And again, with the method of raising the 25%, you'll see minimum account loss, but you'll also be able to maximize your margin and keep it steady throughout the year, so that way you guys stay in business. So hopefully you guys like this video. Stay tuned for more videos, like and subscribe. We'll see you next video. Take care.